Okay, just a quick refresher because I know it's been a little while. Red key goes in, and for some reason with this new ignition module, you have to actually pop the key out and pop it back in when you're finished because the headlights stay on. I don't know why it does that. Before I start it, back here is the sander. This switch here turns the spreader part on, and then this lever here opens the chute so that it falls out. Sometimes it gets stuck and jams up and doesn't want to come out. I usually grab this, just pops off, and jam it in there while I'm going up the driveway. You don't have to touch this at all. Left foot is the brake. Push down on the lever down here. While it's held down, then it'll keep the brake down, keep the throttle down, and push the button and hold it until it cranks. Under your left heel is the differential lock. It'll make both rear wheels turn at the same time. So that'll help you get up the hill if you seem like you're slipping. The headlight. Oh my god, that hurt. The headlight is this little cigarette lighter. And there's a little thing under here. Just gonna plug that in there. And if you want your blinky lights, like that, and that just magnets to the back. I don't know how good they actually can see it, but if it doesn't start the first time, give it a second, and then you have to touch it once to turn it off, and then push it and hold it again to get it to start the second time. Once it's already running, you have to pull this lever out to engage the snowblower, and if you go in reverse, it'll shut itself off, and you have to shut that off and pull it back out again. If you don't want that to happen, then as soon as you engage it, push and hold this little green or yellow triangle, and that'll disable that. So that has to be off to start. The brake has to be set. I'm going to push and hold.